Imagine walking into your room, blinking and instantly appearing on the other side of the planet. No airplane, no waiting, just teleportation. Now here's the crazy part: scientists have already teleported something. Not a human, but something far more surprising. So, could teleportation ever be possible for us? Let's find out. Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the mysteries of science, the universe, and everything that makes you wonder. Today, we're breaking down the science behind teleportation. What's real? What's theory? And what the future might actually look like. When we think of teleportation, we imagine disappearing in one place and instantly reappearing in another. But scientifically, there are two types. 1. Fantasy teleportation, sci-fi style, moving your entire physical body instantly from point A to point B. 2. Scientific teleportation, quantum teleportation, transferring information, the exact state of a particle across distance without moving the particle itself. And guess which one we've already achieved? Yep, quantum teleportation is real. Quantum teleportation exists. In 1997, scientists at the University of Innsbruck teleported photons, light particles, over 1.3 kilometers. How? Using entanglement. Particles linked so one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. Also, in 2017, scientists teleported the quantum state of a photon from Earth to a satellite over 300 miles above the planet. This wasn't science fiction. This was real physics. The magic behind teleportation is something called quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles. Let's call them A and B. If you entangle them, whatever happens to A instantly affects B, even if one is on the other side of the universe. This connection is so strange that Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Quantum teleportation uses this rule. You entangle two particles. You keep one and send the other to a far location. You scan the original particle's quantum information. The information instantly appears in the distant particle. The original particle loses its state, meaning you can't clone it. We're basically destroying the original and recreating its state somewhere else. That's teleportation, but only for quantum particles. Okay, could we ever teleport a person? Here's where things get wild. Problem 1. You are made of 37 trillion cells. To teleport you, we'd need to scan every atom in your body. That's not even septillion. 10 to 82 power pieces of information. It would take longer than the age of the universe to process with today's tech. Problem 2. You'd need to be completely disassembled. Teleportation requires the original to be scanned, which destroys its quantum state. Meaning, the teleportation process would technically end you before recreating you elsewhere. Is that really you on the other side? Or a perfect copy? Philosophers still argue about this. Problem 3. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Teleportation faces massive hurdles. Energy? Scanning every atom in a human, pen 28 atoms, would require more power than the sun produces in a day. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle means you can't measure position and momentum perfectly. Errors could scramble you. Ethical issues too. What if the original you dies? Paradoxes abound. Plus, relativity limits faster than light travel, needed for instant beaming. In a thought experiment, teleporting could create clones or erase originals' philosophical nightmares. Yet progress is happening. IBM is working on quantum computers that could handle complex scans. It's not impossible, just incredibly hard. Even though human teleportation is currently impossible, scientists aren't giving up. Teleporting information might lead to ultra-secure communication, super-fast quantum internet, instant data transfer, new breakthroughs in physics, and who knows? 200 years ago, flying looked impossible. 100 years ago, landing on the moon looked impossible. 30 years ago, smartphones looked impossible. The next century may unlock things we can't even imagine. Human teleportation might not happen soon, but the foundation is already forming today. Teleportation isn't just a sci-fi dream anymore. It's a scientific frontier. We've teleported particles, and we're learning new things every year. The question is, if teleportation became real, would you try it? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending videos about the mysteries of our universe. Thanks for watching and stay curious.